Leo has 26 coins. He finds 2 more. How many coins now? Answer, 28. Fill the missing fact. 5 plus 1 equals 6, 1 plus 5 equals? Answer, 6. Nora had 32 pencils and gave away 8. How many left? Answer, 24. If a class starts at 5 o'clock and ends at 7 o'clock, how long is it? Answer, 2 hours. Fill the missing fact. 5 plus 4 equals 9, 4 plus 5 equals? Answer, 9. How many days in February? Answer, 28 or 29. What is 5 minus 3? Answer, 2. Alex has 11 blocks. He gets 3 more. How many now? Answer, 14. What is 6 plus 5? Answer, 11. Alex has 10 blocks. He gets 3 more. How many now? Answer, 13. Maya had 16 stickers and gave away 1. How many left? Answer, 15. Fill the missing fact. 2 plus 1 equals 3, 1 plus 2 equals? Answer, 3. If a class starts at 7 o'clock and ends at 8 o'clock, how long is it? Answer, 1 hour. Alex has 15 blocks. He gets 2 more. How many now? Answer, 17. Maya had 17 stickers and gave away 2. How many left? Answer, 15. Fill the missing fact. 2 plus 2 equals 4, 2 plus 2 equals? Answer, 4. What is 7 minus 0? Answer, 7. What is 5 minus 3? Answer, 2. Fill the missing fact. 1 plus 4 equals 5, 4 plus 1 equals? Answer, 5. If a class starts at 2 o'clock and ends at 4 o'clock, how long is it? Answer, 2 hours.